everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you look at me and you look like I just woke up, I did. I just woke up from a nap. I had a very exhausting weekend and I'm still exhausted for it, but I'm so happy for tomorrow. I can just sit back and relax. But I'm here to bring with you guys my CVS haul. I was actually excited to get to the store, and the store doesn't have any ads, and I like to rely on the physical ads, especially with CVS, because sometimes their ads a little bit more detailed on deals, and I just like to look at it. So they didn't have it, which was fine. I'm like, okay, whatever. And so I was pretty excited to get there. I'm like, I'm gonna get in and out, and I did get, I felt like I was in there a whole lot faster than what I usually am. Can you sit down, please? Sit down. Sit down. Okay. I'm usually in there a whole lot faster, but this time I wasn't. But anyways, I was excited to do the 30 off a 10 deal. I was not planning to do it. And then I'm like, well, let's just see what I got. Because I had Lindt truffles. I had the Lindt truffles CRT, and I wanted to use those up. So then I'm like, okay, what can I do with this deal? I'm like, diapers. I need more diapers. So I found out that I had a couple CRTs for the diapers. But I ended up doing one of the Lindts and one of the Ghirardellis. These were $5.49. They were buy one, get one 50% off. I had a $1 off for just a Lindt one, and then I had a $1 off a two for Lindt or Ghirardelli. So I'm like, we're taking advantage of the Ghirardelli. They had no caramel ones of the Lindt. There's like 3 different spots all throughout the store, and they didn't have any, but I got my caramel. So I was excited for that. And then I had diapers. I go in the diaper aisle, and the diaper aisle is just gone. Like, they hardly had anything. And I'm like, please have a size 5. Please have a size 5, because that's the size I needed. So thankfully, they only had 2 size 5s, and then you had to get other brands. So I'm so excited I got these. So these were $10.99. I had a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, and then I had a 4 off of 20 CRT, and then I had a $2 off CRT. So if you bought the 2 Pampers and the Ghirardelli, it came to $19.21. I got $10 back, and then so technically my total came to $9.21 or $2.30, which I'm happy with, considering these are like $5 anyways. And so I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. Paris, can you stop knocking everything over? Oh my god. Okay, so I'm happy I got the diapers, because I wanted to start getting stocked up on the diapers. So the next deal I did was the CoverGirl mascara. Funny thing is, my store has like the eyebrow pencils. They're the same price as the mascara. Same price. All those prices went up, and they're both $6.99. So I'm like, that's fine. We're going to continue getting the mascara because I like the mascara better. So these were $6.99. I had 3 $3 off coupons that I got, and then I had a 6 off of 20 CRT, and then I had a $3 off mystery CRT that printed today. Paid $2.97, but then you get a $6 extra care buck, making these a $3.03 moneymaker. So I was excited for that deal. The next deal we got is, I have to grab the stuff from my other bag. The next deal I did was the Schick razors, which I was excited to do this deal. And so the Schick razors, where are the rest of them? Okay, they must have fell out of my bag up. Oh, I took them out. Paris. Yeah, I took them out of the bag already. So these were $5.99 on sale. I used 3 $3 off coupons. I used a paper $3 off coupon, and there's printables, and then I used 2 $3 off digitals. The digitals expire on the 18th. The insert coupons expire on the 25th. So I wanted to use the digitals first. So I had a deal for 5 off a 20 shave. And I'm like, okay, let's see what's the better deal here. Well, I ended up getting this little Skintimate shaving cream for $2.59. So I ended up using the 3 $3 off coupons, and then I got to use my 5 off of 20 CRT. So these came out to be cheaper. So I got all 4 items for $6.56. When you buy 3 of them, you get, or was it, yeah, when you buy spend 15 or get 3 of them, I can't remember, you get a $5 extra care buck. So I got all 4 items for $1.56 or 39 cents each, which is a better deal for that. So I was excited for that. Yes, because otherwise it would have came to like, I think like $2 each is what the deal originally was going to be. I got the Halls cough drops. These were 2 for $4. I had $1 off of 2 insert coupon that came out today. You would pay $3 for this, but there is $1 extra care buck that you receive back. And if you check out 51, you actually get $1 each for these. So all these become to be for free. So you guys will get these for free. And I actually got approved for my money like right away. So I was excited for that. Then I ended up getting the Nivea body wash. These were 2 for $8. I didn't have any CRTs, but I ended up printing off 2 $1 off printable coupons from the Nivea website themselves. So I used those. You pay $6 for this, but then you get $4 back in an extra care buck, making these just $2 or $1 each. And I think my husband prefers the Nivea the most out of all the body washes that I get. So as you guys know me, I am really pushing to get the Ibotta thing. So far I'm at 36 rebates so far, and my goal is I need to have 35 rebates a week to finish it. If you think about it, today's the 5th, so I'm like super ahead, which is great. So I ended up just getting this flips thing. These were $1.39 regular price. There's a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, so making these just 89 cents. So I just got it because of the Ibotta deal, and I know my kids are going to eat it anyways, so I got that. Then I ended up getting the paparazzi, and I told you guys this last time, or the past couple times. I think they're either getting rid of the paparazzi display, or they're getting rid of the paparazzi nail polish, or they're doing something different, because my store literally had like 10-ish, 15 bottles. So just giving you guys a heads up, there's something going on why they're pretty much giving these away for free, unless they're trying to change the picture or something on it and just want to start over. I have no idea. But these are 2 for $5. I was trying to figure out if it was a limit 2, because it's been the limited 2 the last like 2 or 3 times they did this deal. So I'm like, okay, we're gonna test it out. And then I had a 2 off of 3 CRT. So I bought 4 of these at 2 for $5. That's 10 bucks right there. I used the 2 off of 3 CRT that I had, paid $8, but then you get $5 for every 2 that you buy with a limit of 2. So this came to be a $2 moneymaker. I got these all for free. But I'm excited with kind of the colors I got. I got like the shimmer colors. The rest of the ones that are left are kind of all the dull colors, which is okay. And then I was really trying to push my rebates, like I said, for you guys. So I really wanted to do the mouthwash deal, but my store was completely sold out of scope. They didn't have any. So I'm like, okay, let's see what I can figure out. So I ended up getting Oral-B. I got 6 of these. Now these were $3.99, okay? So we did this deal. So for $3.99, I actually had a where's my breakdown? These were, I had a 5 off a 3 digital coupon, and I had a $2 off digital coupon. And then I had a CRT for $6 off of 4. My total came to $10.94, but then you get $10 back, so it comes out to be just 94 cents or 15 cents each. But I had a CRT for spend 40, you get $4 off. So I ended up doing it this deal. So I'm going to show you guys this and then I'll combine them. So I did the Revlon. The mascara was $10.29 and the lip was $5.79. Didn't have any coupons for that, but you would pay $16.08. You get a $5 extra care buck. But then you get $3 with the Ibotta rebate for the mascara, and you get $2 back with the lip things, making them $6.08. But I wanted to use my 4 off of 40 CRT, so I combined these. Came out to be $23.02, but then you get $5 back and $10 back. So it ends up becoming, why did I get $3.02? How did it get to be 20? Oh, the 4 off of, I have no idea how. Oh, Yeah, the $20, I got the 10, and then I got the 2 5s for Ibotta and stuff. So the grand total for all 8 of these items were $3.02, or just 37 cents each. So like I said, I really wanted to push that deal. I walked away from the Revlon deal like twice trying to figure out if I really wanted to do it, and then I'm like, got it, because I was mixing it with other items. So yeah, so my total came to $6.16. I did 2 transactions. I ended up using $66 worth of extra care bucks, but I only received $52 back. Totally fine with that. I just need to start making little bits more or less transactions and just start rolling my extra care bucks. But this is what I did. I rolled them as best as I could. With Ibotta, I received $5.50 back, and then with checkout 51, I received $2 back. So my grand total for everything technically came to $12.65. I got 28 items at 45 cents each. I think for $12.65, including I got 2 packs of diapers and razors, I think I did a pretty good deal. I mean, the thing is, like, everybody is always trying to get the freebies, always, like, wants the moneymakers deals, and I totally go for that, but there are other things that some people just need, and I want to share with you guys on those deals, because everybody's in a different financial situation. But yeah, that was everything. If you guys could, give this video a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. It's absolutely free to hit the button, and I'm here to help you guys save some money, share some deals with you other than couponing. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys all next week. See you later. Bye.